With the Cady team, and we have a fantastic new listing for you here on the west side of Jacksonville off of Jamie's Road. This particular unit is perfect for FHA, conventional VA lending, brand new roof. Come on in and see. What I love about this house is it has two living spaces. One formal living room off the front, beautiful sunlight coming in the window, and it has a bonus family room with a wood-burning fireplace. This fantastic home is only minutes from historic Riverside, where you can enjoy all the local foodie joints, hot spots, and my favorite, rooftop bars. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath bungalow features original hardwood floor, a bonus room that can be used as an additional 4th bedroom, this adorable home has a covered patio and fully fenced-in backyard.